Welcome home.
Thank you.
What do you think?
I can't see what it is. What is it? From my blind eyesight. Hi, Evie. It looks like a like a Nintendo controller.
I'm so upset right now.
I'm really sorry.
Ho, 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 oh, hello there, and welcome to my Christmas tree. This is, yes, 7.5 feet of plastic pre-lit glory. And when my girlfriend and I were setting this up the other night, we realized we don't have anything to go on the top. It's just not festive without, a tree topper. Unfortunately for her, though, she's out of town right now, and I guess it befalls on me to crown this Yuletide thing, tree log. I'm gonna put something up there, so let's go to Home Depot. Yeah, Lowe's is closer. This is actually kind of wild. I just bought spray paint and didn't get ID'd for it. I feel like I just broke the law. They didn't have everything I needed at Lowe's, so I'm going to take a quick rummage through my pile of scrap metal over here and then bust out the welder because all Christmas tree toppers need to be welded. I wonder what the weight a Christmas tree can support at the very top. We'll find that out. Time to get into building mode. Ta-da! We have my Volkswagen tree topper. And I do mean it's my Volkswagen, complete with janky rear fender because I ripped my fender off once when my tire fell off. I think it looks pretty good. It was even still kind of wet when I was reassembling it, so there's fingerprints in the paint, which kind of reflects the paint job that I did on this. That's not quite perfect. Also, I didn't think about it until just now that green, you're not gonna be able to see this in the tree. But regardless, let's go put it in the tree and then see what Demery thinks, because she does not know I was doing this. Oh, I'm way too short for that. This spring clamp is really overly too strong for this. I can barely squeeze it. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that doesn't work at all. Oh yeah, oh. That's nice. Is that crooked? That might be really crooked. God. Stupid tree. Came up with this tree thing anyways. Oh my god. This clamp is horrible. This paint's nowhere near dry. My hands are covered in paint now. Ah, just go on your stupid Christmas home! This is the stupidest thing I ever made. 4th of July is my favorite holiday. Go on there, you piece of crap. I mean, it's about as high quality as my Volkswagen is. Yeah, that's still crooked as hell. Yep, that's as good as it gets. Let's see what Demery thinks. She should be home soon. And the good news is, if I hide the ladder, she can't get it down. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Well, Demery,
Yes.
you know the little dilemma we had when putting our Christmas tree out the other day?
I do.
What was our dilemma?
The lights?
The lights. What's wrong with the lights?
I don't know.
Hold on.
Oh, the tree topper. Yes, that was our dilemma.
What do you think?
I can't see what it is.
That might be a problem. Okay? That might be a problem with the design.
What is it? From my blind eyesight, hi Evie, it looks like a like a Nintendo controller.
I'm so upset right now.
I'm really sorry.
Come take a closer look.
Oh no, I see it now. It's a bug. It's a bug.
Look closer.
No, I see it. It's the bug.
Must look closer.
Okay. It's the bug.
Does it remind you of any bug in particular?
Your bug in particular.
Go look at the fender on the other side.
Oh my god, did you rust it?
It was blue. I painted it green.
But why would
And
you
then I
put
messed up
that
the
on
fender.
this side where nobody can see it?
I'll be honest, not a lot of thought went into the document. Also, it's green, so you can't see it on the tree.
Yeah.
And it's really heavy, so I could barely clip it on the tree. It's very lopsided.
Oh.
But other than that, yes, it's the bug.
It's very cute. Very cute. Hi, Murphy. It looks great. It does.
Thank you.
You already had that bug though, right?
No,
You made it?
no, well, I bought a toy bug.
When?
Today.
Oh. You're very productive today.
I did get a lot done. It might be a little heavy, and it might be the same color as the tree, and I might not have put my red broken fender facing the audience of the tree. Other than those 3 little items, I would say a rousing success. And if Demery doesn't like it, I hid the ladder so she can't get it down. Merry Christmas!